type of essential oil. It's extracted steam distillations from the seeds of Daucus carota plant. Today's video will discuss the benefits of carrot seed essential oil. Before you watch this video, please take a moment. Just subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily. Carrot seed oil is sometimes confused with carrot oil, which is made from a mixture of crushed carrot roots immersed in a carrier oil, such as olive oil, coconut oil. Carrot oil is not an essential oil. However, cold-pressed carrot seed oil is cold-pressed from the carrot seeds and is used in cosmetics for anti-aging properties in skin care. Carrot seed essential oil has shown antibacterial, antifungal, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant properties. What it doesn't have are the vitamins and nutrients provided by carrots. Like other essential oils, the carrot seed oil is not meant to be ingested. In this way, it differs from carrot oil, which is often used for cooking. Benefits and uses. When you mix carrot seed oil with a carrier oil, you can apply it to your skin. Several laboratory studies and anecdotal evidence indicate that carrot seed oil has a number of properties that may be beneficial when used this way. Number 1. Antibacterial. Carrot seed oil is effective at combating several strains of bacteria. These include Listeria monocytogenes, which causes listeriosis infections, and Staphylococcus aureus, responsible for staph infections. It had a small degree of effectiveness against E. coli and Salmonella. Number 2. Antifungal. Research suggests that carotid, another chemical compound in carrot seed oil, reduces the activity of fungi that affect plant growth. Carrot seed oil has some degree of effectiveness against yeast such as Candida albicans and Aspergillus. Number 3. Antioxidant. Carrot seed oil may be an effective antioxidant. The same study found that carrot seed oil might also have benefits against liver damage. Number 4. Anti-aging. Carrot seed oil's antioxidant properties suggest that it might be beneficial in cosmetics as a rejuvenator for aging skin. Number 5. Anti-inflammatory. Anecdotal reports indicate that carrot seed oil has anti-inflammatory properties and is soothing to the skin and scalp. Have you ever known the benefits of carrot seed essential oil? Let me know in our comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.